Good prop.
I filled up the TKS fluid. There's icing, air meds. We need extra anti-ice as needed. There's a ton of precipitation, and I can actually see it in the sky from the left side to the right side all the way.
November 20 Zulu, areas of moderate with embedded heavy and extreme precipitation. 12 o'clock, it wouldn't really matter going west or east. These areas can extend 200 miles from west to east.
I mean, this is a cold front, so I'm just trying to cut to the right. That's what sucks when I started a little bit later than I wanted to. That extra hour is making a difference now that I need the light.
Nice little VFR flight to Fond du Lac today for a meeting with a client. It's just beautiful here in the Midwest and Chicago area. In Wisconsin, all VFR, just gorgeous. It's a short flight from Chicago. It's about 40 minutes or so. Looking forward to it. We'll be up in the air soon. Fuel flow, boost pump. The front.
Executive Tower Information Uniform, 1352 Zulu observation, wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear.
Alright, we do have information uniform. Executive Ground, good morning, Sirius November 122 Sierra Zulu information uniform at signature, looking at taxi for north departure VFR.
Sirius 122 Sierra Zulu, exact ground runway 16, taxi via Kilo.
Executive Tower, Sirius November 122 Sierra Zulu, holding short runway 16, ready for departure VFR to northbound.
Number 2 Sierra Zulu, turn right to north, runway 16, takeoff.
Alright, phone is clear, other side is clear. We're be making a right turn. Runway 16, check. And let's go. Full power. Airspace is alive both places. Yep. Everything's looking good, looking for 77, and here it goes, rotate. I came quick. Less than 1,000 feet actually, wow. About 9 flaps up. Alright, let's turn. Caps available.
519 executive tower, yep.
Can climb to 3,400 feet. I'm telling you, there's nothing like using general aviation to do business meetings, especially when they're within a close vicinity where it would take you a couple of hours or 3 hours or so, 4 maybe, to drive. Alright, let's try to pick up the weather.
Fond du Lac County Airport, Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Automated weather observation 1527 Zulu. Wind 200 at 05.
Alright, we got the weather. Vertical track. And that's it. 1,800 feet is the pattern altitude. Alright, brakes are good, landing light on. Looks like I have a 5,900 foot runway at Fond du Lac. And off of taxiway Bravo is where the FBO is at. It's somewhere around midfield. I can see the lake up ahead. And Fond du Lac traffic, you have a Silver Cirrus, November 122 Sierra Zulu, 6 miles south of the field, 2,400, and we'll be entering a right downwind runway 18 full stop, Fond du Lac.
Cirrus at Fond du Lac, FYI, there is a Nordo tail dragger in the pattern.
Okay, Roger, thank you for that, appreciate it. You know where they're at?
Just departed 18.
Okay, thanks. And Fond du Lac traffic, Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu is on the right downwind runway 18, full stop for Fond du Lac. Fond du Lac traffic, Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu is turning right base runway 18, full stop, Fond du Lac. Ah, shit. shoot, there he is. And Fond du Lac traffic, the Cirrus is making room for the tail dragger, base to final, runway 18 final. We're just going to fly northbound until they're clear, Fond du Lac. Yeah, let's give them some room. And Fond du Lac traffic, the Cirrus is on an extended right base now, making room for the tail dragger to land runway 18 and turning right base 18 to final 18, Fond du Lac full stop. Fond du Lac traffic, Cirrus 122 Zulu is on a 1.5 mile final runway 18, full stop, Fond du Lac. So you see that guy up ahead, he's not communicating with like a cub or something. He doesn't have to have a radio. So, which can get you in trouble because you gotta keep your eyes peeled, and good thing that this guy told us about it. Traffic, the Cirrus is clear on runway 18, Fond du Lac. Alright, welcome to Fond du Lac. Let's see if they have a car available, and then get to the meeting.
You gotta love my PT Cruiser that I have here. It's definitely seen better days, that's for sure. Great meeting with this customer, trying to make them utilize our process. And now it's time to head back to Chicago Executive. Alright, directions to Fond du Lac Skyport, 7 minutes.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto West Pioneer Road.
Alright. I have to say that the FBO here, they're so friendly. The guys here are just great service. Good prices on the fuel too. At $4.49, not too bad. Definitely less than Chicago Executive Airport. So I will be back here. This is a great area. No problem.
Let's put a little bit of AC on. Fond du Lac traffic, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu is taking runway 18, departure straight out south, Fond du Lac. Alright, full rich, nobody coming. Gas pressure alive, both places. Summer's looking good, oil temperature, pressure looking good. And here we go. And flaps up. About to begin our descent into Chicago Executive, descending in a way that want to be below the class Bravo airspace. So I programmed 11 miles north of the Northbrook VOR to be at 3,400 feet. And then continue to descend after that, just to be below as needed. Executive Tower, Sirius November 122, Sierra Zulu is 13 miles north of the field. 2,600 information Yankee bound full stop.
Sirius 122, Sierra Zulu, Executive Tower, make sure it didn't runway 16.
Make a straight in for runway 16, 122 Sierra Zulu.
Sirius 2, Sierra Zulu, I'm going to need you to slow down number 3 to the runway.
Alright, slowing up to Sierra Zulu.
Sirius 2, Sierra Zulu, great job, you're number 2. Cessna is turning a mile and a half final. Runway 16 cleared to land.
Alright, looking for the Cessna number 2 to Sierra Zulu, clear to land, runway 16. Slowed up pretty good for the tower, as requested. Alright, let's go and fly the rest of it.
500.
Sirius 2, Sierra Zulu, going back to signature?
Affirmative, sir, to Sierra Zulu.
Sirius 2, Sierra Zulu, left at Echo, left at Kilo, signature.
Left Echo, then Kilo, and signature to Sierra Zulu.
Great job, thanks for helping me out.
Not a problem, anytime. That was a great flight. Really enjoyed it. Very productive too, right? So, awesome stuff.
Sirius 312 Whiskey,
There's some business.
Tower,
Now it's time to get some lunch.
We'll be holding position.
And maybe continue with the rest of the day.
For 16312 Whiskey Charles.